Easy step by step making a perfect banga rice. If this is what you are interested to see, make yourself comfortable. Let's get right into the video. Help me to share the video, and if you have not yet subscribed, do so. That is the only way you can get alert of our new video, and we are uploading soon again. Let's get right into it. So here are the ingredients needed making it. I will go ahead and introduce it to you one after the other, and I will also put it in my description box in case you are making yours and the measurement. Use any rice of your choice. So this is the banga I'm using. Scotch bonnet pepper, use as much as you desire. 1 large onions and 2 tomatoes. Grounded crayfish. So I'm using a smoked microfish. If you can lay your hands on it, is the best making a banga rice. And I have the videos in my channel. I will be putting the link for you in case you are interested, knowing how to smoke your microfish like this. It goes a long ways in your soup also. Let's continue. So this is the seasoning cube I'm using. This is a salt. So I'll go ahead and dissolve this banga completely with hot water. Let me have lots of wonderful people in the house. And to all my returning subscribers, you guys are really wonderful. Amazing. From the bottom of my heart, I truly appreciate. And if today is your first time coming across this channel, please go ahead and subscribe and be a part of this humble family, so that whenever we upload a new video, you'll be forced to be notified. And we upload it soon again. Please, the old and the new. By the right hand side, if you have not turned your notification bell, do so. That is the only way you can get alert of our new video. And if you have done that, may God bless you. Thank you, and I truly appreciate. Let's continue with our video. So after I have drained it, I will take it, put it aside. So I will transfer my rice into this boiling water. I will off the gas. I will cover it for 5 minutes before I will drain it. I'll go ahead and rough blended these tomatoes and Scotch bonnet pepper. So this is how I'm going to grate these onions. But you can use knife to chop it also, or rough blended it also, if you don't have this. So this is how it looks like. I'll put it aside. So I'll go ahead and debone this microfish. Remember, I said I have the video of how to smoke it on my channel. I have 2 videos on this, even catfish. So I'll be putting the link for you in case you are making yours. Feel free to help me to share this video. Let it be a blessing to others. So at this point, my banga has started boiling. I'll take in the parboiled rice right inside the sauce. I'll add the tomatoes to it, the onions. I'll add half of the crayfish, while the left one I'll add it later. The seasoning cubes. So after stirring, I'll add a little salt to it. Remember, the seasoning has salt on its own. Last but not the least, I'll go ahead and add my mackerel-fish to it. I'll cover it and I'll allow it to cook. I'm going to cook this rice on a medium heat to avoid it from burning. So time to time, I will always come and stir it to make sure that it's not burning. If you taste it, you think there is anything left, you can add to it. So this is the right time to add the leftover crayfish. If there is a need for salt or more seasoning, at this point you can add. But this one was really perfectly okay. And the taste, oh my God. Follow this simple method. You will love to eat banga rice in your home every day or anytime you feel like eating rice. The taste is just a different level. It tastes amazing. And the smell alone, oh my God. When you are making it, make sure it's not over dry. Let it a bit soft. That is when you really enjoy it. I'll go and enjoy it with this cucumber that you are seeing on it. You can also add a fried plantain to it. It goes a long way if you can lay your hands on it. If not, nothing wrong eating it without adding what I have just mentioned. If this video have been a blessing to you, you love the video, what you see, please go ahead and like. Subscribe if you have not done so. Share the video in on your platform. Let it be a blessing to others. See you soon again. Bye.